Hello everyone, welcome to Overhead Recipes, the channel that talks a lot about coffee and sometimes about food. In this episode, I would like to share with you a drink that we kind of discovered when we had our road trip back in Tasmania in Australia. And after walking around and hiking and all that stuff, we were able to find a nice cool place around Hobart afterwards, and we were able to try the Affogato for the first time. And essentially, it's a glorious combination of good ice cream as well as freshly extracted espresso. And it's really not rocket science, and it's something that we really like having in the heat of the summer here in Singapore. So I hope you like this video, and this is not a tutorial and more of just a relaxing video for you to consider watching as well as making a treat on your own. So enjoy! So there you have it, my affogato. I know I made a bit of a mess, but you can pretty much figure out how to rectify those things, such as using a larger glass and probably pre-scoop your ice cream and leave it in the freezer. Now you don't really need a big machine to do any of this, right? All you really need is to have some good ice cream, maybe pre-scoop it, use some Ben and Jerry's, Haagen-Dazs and something like that, pure ice cream, not these cheaper ones. Get good coffee, obviously, and you don't need a fancy machine. You can use a moka pot, as well as your good old Nespresso machines and pods. As long as you can get a good shot of espresso, add some really good ice cream that blends well with coffee, such as vanilla, cookies and cream, those kind of things. So if you enjoyed this video, please consider giving the channel a sub, liking this video. If you like to share this, please go ahead and do check out our other videos in this channel, and have a great day, and thanks for watching.